Hey everyone, it's Lucy here. In this video, I'm going to be unboxing these Nanoleaf Shapes. So I bought the starter kit and it comes with 9 different light panel triangles. So very excited to be opening this up. I'm going to be showing you how to set it up and also how it looks like on the wall. But to be honest, I couldn't really justify the price of buying it at the start because I think in Australia, the original price was $349. But yesterday it went on sale and I thought, you know what, let's just buy it and see how it looks. Okay, so the first thing I see are these huge white triangles. And there's also a few other things that came in the box. These triangles are a lot larger than I expected, but they're pretty lightweight. They've put thin pieces of paper to separate each one of them, and as you can see, they're about the size of my hand. Here's the power cable that we're going to use to light up the triangles. And there's also the instruction manual that I'm going to be needing later on. These are the tabs that are going to be used to connect the triangles together. And we also have some double-sided tape that would hopefully be strong enough to mount my Nanoleaf onto the wall. There's also a cute pamphlet that shows some potential layouts you can create with 9 triangles. And finally, we have a plastic strip to turn the lights on and off.
Tell me, does it feel you're about to let me go? Let me go. I feel you're on the verge of breaking down at any minute.
Okay, now I'm finally attaching the last 2 panels. Alright, so it's been 3 months since I filmed the previous section about unboxing the Nanoleaf Shapes. And it's been a while, so I thought I'd share with you the pros and the cons of the Nanoleaf, just based on my experience with using it, and also whether I would recommend it for you to buy. So starting off with the pros, I really like these Nanoleaf shapes because of how customizable they are. You can choose so many different colors and you can choose between the different light modes. It can also sync up to any external sound, so if you play music or if you watch a TV show, the light would reflect the sound that's being played. And I think personally for me, I find this really useful because I can just have it on during the day. And it really is a way for me to have a soft light in the background. So instead of turning on my overhead light, I can put on the Nanoleaf and that will be enough to light up my whole room. Moving on to the cons though, one thing for me is that there are so many features with this Nanoleaf. Most of the time, basically 99% of the time, I don't need all these colors. All I need is the white color so that I can light up my room and I can focus on my work. So because of this, it makes me wonder if it's actually worth the cost. There's so many other alternative lighting solutions out there, and some of them look very similar to the Nanoleaf. But aside from the cost side of things, something else I don't really like about the Nanoleaf is that once you stick it onto the wall, you can't really take it off, adjust it, and move it somewhere else. I've seen some videos online where they've tried to take it off and move it somewhere else, but I'm just too worried it's going to leave a mark on my wall if I take it off. Okay, so now that I mentioned the pros and cons of buying the Nanoleaf, I would like to leave my final recommendation on whether I would recommend it for others to buy. I think if you're someone who really values buying things that are high quality and have a nice brand and are reliable, I would definitely recommend the Nanoleaf as a lighting solution. But if you're looking for something a bit more cost effective and you don't really need all the features of the Nanoleaf, I would recommend looking at an alternative solution. And I'll put some links in the description below on some cheaper options you can look into. But overall, I would say that it depends on your personal needs and how much you're willing to invest in lighting. I think for me, this was a pretty good purchase because it really serves its purpose of me not having to turn on my overhead light and having the Nanoleaf in the background as I do some work. It's not something that I need to buy regularly. It was more of a one-off sort of thing. And I think it's pretty cool to play around with the lights once in a while. Alright, thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you liked seeing the unboxing and also how the Nanoleaf looks like on the wall. If you enjoyed it, please give it a like and leave your comments down below. Let me know if you want to see more videos like this and I'll see you next time. Bye for now!